Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide our profile in Tinder. Now let's begin. Right here, as you can see, I have already logged into my Tinder PC. In case you have not, do log in right now. Do note that you can also do this from your mobile device as well. Right here is the interface, and at the top left, here's my profile. I'm simply gonna click on it. Now this is the edit profile section. In the left section, I'm simply gonna scroll down till I see something like enable discovery. Well, let's see what it says. When turned off, your profile will be hidden from the card stack and discovery will be disabled. Well, we want to disable it right now, so let's simply toggle off this button. Do note that you also have the option to go incognito, but right now we simply want to disable discovery, that is hide my profile. So let's simply hit on disable discovery right here. And guys, there you go. That's how we hide your profile in Tinder using Tinder PC. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.